time now to go across to Nimesh. He's here with us to tell us about his usual D Street chatter and what he's picking up today. Nimesh.
Hi, Ekta. So now a down day, so to speak, but I would say it's more of a day for consolidation because the large part of the drag has come from the IT names. Despite a lot of companies saying that there is not much impact, the IT index is down 3%, individual stocks are down 3 to 5%. So there is clearly a bit of impact on the IT stocks today. Overall, from a flow perspective, again, it's a mixed day of trade, but I understand there is a bit of buying interest in select large cap names and the PSU names as well. For PSUs in particular, I've been saying for a while now that you are going to see a bit of short covering rally in many of those PSU names. That's standing out in some of the names today. So PSU is a combination of buying as well as short covering, but broadly from an FI perspective, it's a pretty much mixed day of trade. Insurance, I would like to mention that that's one space where there's a bit of genuine buying from larger institutions today though. That apart, I guess a day of consolidation with a bit of negative bias, largely dragged by IT.
Okay, Nimesh, what about specific stocks?
So the first stock on the list is MK Global. That stock is locked at 20% upper circuit. There is a board meeting scheduled for fundraising today. Lots of speculation doing around, so need to see what finally comes up, whether it's an individual investor or a foreign bank or a strategic investor coming in. But there is a board meeting for fundraising today, so that's the first stock. The second stock is Borosil's Renewable. Even that is buzzing in trade on very large volumes, up 10% last when I checked. Again, the city is anticipating some corporate development with regards to their foreign subsidiary very soon. So that's a buzz as far as Borosil is concerned. The third name is Hindustan Copper. Again, big volumes, and I understand some very strong buying from larger HNIs in Hindustan Copper, and hence the reason why that's buzzing in trade as well. And the last is K Fintech. It's part of my chatter as well. And there is a flash that I can see that there could be a large block. So that's something which the city is anticipating. A large block deal is likely in KFin, and that's the reason why the stock is under pressure. Remember, only in May this year, General Atlantic sold 10% stake in KFin, so they own 21% now, and that's classified as promoter holding. So if they are looking to sell out, then maybe the institutional holding will be a majority in KFin going forward.
A very interesting list as always, Nimesh. Thank you very much for that. Let's actually take that and build on that last name that Nimesh mentioned, which is K Fintech.